MeghalayaPost.news.
Kat bagi babun kisah balang Rilum Khasi kidang Pyrshah jur banwan ra Surok Rel Rilum Khasi kat bang perla banwan ra iki an ki beklan banyada na ka jingwan rung kertep ki barjela Henry UMP ketura parliamentary constituency ulai jing tho shaw menteri rang ba kari unar ramadi bandang penhe Surok Rel Rilum goro na ka benta ban Pyniasoh Sha Kiwei ki Nongbah jong ki jela hapo India hamba keren siklap thai ku bor menta kasi UMP ketura saleng el sangma ulong bolode ban ai da ka jing tho shaw menteri rang ba kari India unar Mandri ban Kyrpad ban Pyniasoh Surok Rel na mendi petar Sha Kiwei pat ki Nongbah jong kejelah po keri hakaju kapor ulah panru bandang wan ra isu ya kirel bakit mat ha mendi petar kenang ban ai mentoy ya ki nongrep ban chalan ya ki marrep Sha Kiwei ki jelah jong keri ulong ru kumbolong hadu menta ka Surok Rel ba Pyniasoh Sha mendi petar ke detang khat 1 kilometer na asam bat kampat don Kiwei ki Surok ba Pyniasoh Sha Kiwei pat ki jelah kum ha Delhi Bangalore Kanyakumari Mumbai Delhi Kolkata bat Kiwei ki Nongbah ha ko ki tahu longru bahaya menta umpa ban penhe ke mendi petar railway station lane ban Pyniasoh Sha Kiwei benta jong Rilum garo Henry ke bakwa kalong ban Pyniasoh shwa na mendi petar Sha Kiwei ki Nongbah jong ki jelah kari
and then super fast train it should connect from Mendipatar to Kanyakumari, Mendipatar to Mumbai, Mendipatar to New Delhi, and then moreover comprehensive of all the issues looking at the scenario of the Garo Hills. I have asked for the goods train also, which the minister and the prime minister himself is agreed upon that they will look into this matter.
So goods train from
yes, goods train from Mendipatar itself. Unless and until we get the goods train from Mendipatar, Garo Hills is not going to benefit out of that.
No, because that is the concern. Yes.
No, right now actually, when you talk about the influx. The train enters only 14 kilometers till Mendipatar. It's only 14 kilometers from the Assam border. And then moreover, since it's only a 2-passenger train, till now not much of an influx is there. But if we make a bigger platform, then we might have to look at the security side also. Then we might have to bring lots of other issues like about the checking points, where all those passengers coming from, where those kinds of checkpoint is required. Now that's why I'm not asking to extend it till Jengjal or other parts of the Garo Hills, but I just wanted that particular train in Mendipatar itself to be expanded, take the expansions of the stations and the extensions of the train to go to any nook and corner of the India. No, not to other parts of the country. Otherwise, you see, when you talk about the influx, unless and until there is a proper place in like security checkpoint, then I cannot take risk of my people.
There is some.
Without having a proper checkpoint, I don't think it's wise for me to ask for that. Unless and until government has got some other reason to extend it, but I want the expansion of the train and extend it, the route from Mendipatar to Kanyakumari, to Mumbai, to Delhi, to Calcutta, like that. Right now, it's only operating from Mendipatar to Guwahati only, and no other goods train. Now, for example, we are talking about the agro-based industries, we are talking about lots of entrepreneurship program out there. Unless and until we have a goods train, then where our product will be, delivered? How do you supposed to, market it? So likewise, accordingly, we have planned and we have discussed with the ministers that since Garo Hills is the, organic area where we can concentrate more of the organic, organic agriculture. That way we can export it to other parts of the state.
MeghalayaPost.news.